Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about how organic reactions occurs. Mechanisms. You know friend, in a clock, the hands move, but the mechanism behind the phase is what causes the movement. In an organic reactions, we see the transformation that has occurred. The mechanism describes the steps behind the changes and that we can observe. Reactions occurs in defined steps and that lead from reactant to product. Steps in mechanisms. We classify the types of steps in a sequence. A step involves either the formations or breaking of a covalent bond, or steps can occur individually or in combinations with other steps. When several steps occurs at the same time, they are said to be concerted. So, types of steps in reaction mechanisms. Bond formation or breaking can be symmetrical or unsymmetrical. Symmetrical means homolytic and unsymmetrical means heterolytic. So bond breaking. Symmetrical bond breaking, one bonding electron stays with each product. So radical. Unsymmetrical bond breaking, polar. Two bonding electrons stay with one product. So bond making. Symmetrical bond making, radicals, one bonding electron is donated by each reactant. Unsymmetrical bond making, polar, two bonding electrons are donated by one reactant. Look at this example. Now friend, indicating steps in mechanisms. Curved arrow indicate breaking and forming of bonds. Arrowhead with a half head, fish hook, indicate homolytic and homogenic steps called radical process. Arrowhead with a complete head indicate heterolytic and heterogenic step called polar process. Radical reactions, not as common as polar reactions. Radical react to complete electrons octet of valence shell. A radical can break a bond in another molecules and abstract a partner with electrons giving substitutions in the original molecules. Friends, a radical can add to an alkene to give a new radical, causing an addition reaction. You can see here radical unpaired electrons, reactant radicals. Now you have the molecules AB, substitution products and product radicals, unpaired electrons. So, steps in radical substitutions, three types of steps. Initiation, homolytic formations of two reactive species with unpaired electrons. For example, formations of chlorine atom from Cl to N light. Propagation, reaction with molecules to generate radicals. Example, reactions of chlorine atom with methane to give a Cl and methyl radicals. So you can see in this example. Steps in radical substitution, monochlorination of methane. So methane react with chlorine in the presence of light, forming chloromethane. So initiations, chlorine radicals, propagations, you have the methyl chloride, you have hydrochloric acid, and then you have the methyl radical and chloride radical. So terminations steps, chlorine combined together, methyl radical methyl combined together, methyl chlorine combined together, and possible termination steps. with excess concentrations of Cl2 present, continued reaction is probable with the formation of dichloro, dichloro, trichloro, and tetrachloromethane. So friends, learning check. In radical chain reactions, what would be the best descriptions of the following reactions? This one is propagations, eliminations, initiation, termination, substitution. I will give you 1 minute's time. Try to understand. Try to give the exact answers so that it will confirm you have some backgrounds of concepts. So answer is terminations. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.